CB's almost at fill price. Bravo Lima Charlie Mike. RKDA, guys and gals. RKDA is looking a little healthier. 956. It's a pretty tight stop. 956 stop at 947. May have to wait a minute or two. OSTK is starting to wake up here. Oscar Sierra Tango Kilo OSTK. They've had some suppression over the last few days. They're starting to get a little bit of love. Charlie Papa Romeo X-Ray. I would like NETE to really start moving here. All right, now EDNT, KBSF, OSN, NETE, all making that little pump here. These are all the low flow names that we wanted to watch. RKDA is starting to move, guys and gals.